Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Create with Kayla. So today we're going to be making these modern propagation planters. I got the inspiration from a place called Vintage Rival Shop. Also, I got my inspiration from Wayfair, the phrase rustic rope glass hanging planters. So stay tuned. This is just going to be a DIY for people who love plants. Alright, so the things you're gonna need from the Dollar Tree is this crafter's wood, um, different sizes, whatever you like. I like the circle, the foam sheets, the mini glass containers, some twine, and some succulents. Also some paint. I'm gonna make this leather look, and I'm just gonna use some paint to make this look. So what I'm doing here is I'm painting these foam sheets. I found it best to use my finger at first, but then what I did was I flipped it over and started using the foam sheet. So I just got an extra foam sheet and started rubbing it together. So just use foam sheets and rub them together with the paint. It works really nicely and it gives it that leather look. Also, this color is red olive. That's the name of this color. Alright, so what I'm going to do right here is I am going to stain the majority of all the wood. You don't have to stain it, you can paint it whatever color you like, but I like this color right here. It's going to really look nice and pop off that leather piece. Also, I did paint one in the background black because I do like the black look as well. So I'm going to show you that the way you can paint it a solid color or just stain it. Alright, so I got these little tubes out of the school supply section. It looks like it's a measuring cup. So what I'm going to use is the tube part and take the top off and just dispose of that. Use that for something else. So I'm going to put the measurement side on the back so you can't see the measurements. And then I'm just going to glue a dot on there and then stick it onto the wood. Alright, so here are the mini glass containers. What I'm doing is just going to wrap some twine around them and then knot them. And then what you can do is for whatever desired length that you like, just space them out how far you would like them. And make sure you wrap it around 2 times and then tie a knot inside of it. Alright, so here what we're going to do is grab those little foam pieces again, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut out strips of each. What I did was cut out my desired length that I would like for the strip to be on the tubes. So what we're going to do now is glue the leather strip onto the tube. So I did hide the little rings around the tube with the leather strip. Alright, now what you're going to do is cut off the pieces of each of the succulents so you can style them and put them inside of the tubes. Alright, so here's a before picture, and this is what they look after you put the plants inside of them. Alright, so thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.